Today, let us look into how to create an Amazon free trial account so that you can use cloud services. So you can practice the cloud and you can leverage some of the services which Amazon is offering. So let us get started. First, let us browse through the website of which Amazon is providing, aws.amazon.com/free. Once you navigate to here, you will have an option on creating a free tier account and what are the different services that are offered for free. Amazon offers you three kinds of stuff. One is the services which are always free for you, the services which are free for 12 months, and there will be some trial services which you can use for a certain period of time as per what Amazon's terms and conditions are. So let us get started first to create a free tier account, and then we will worry about what are the different offers which Amazon gives you with respect to the services. So click on create a free tier account. Let's enter the email address. And enter a password which is strong. And give some account name. And click on continue. And then it will ask what is the kind of an account which you are trying to create. So in our case, it is going to be the personal account which we are trying to create. So you are supposed to enter your phone number and your address. So I am selecting my country and the phone number. And the address. And once you enter your address completely, just ensure that you accept this agreement and click on create account and continue. This is where Amazon will ask you what is your credit card number or a debit card number. Okay, so you can give either a credit or a debit card. Since I am creating the account from India, I can create any valid account in India. Ensure that you are using a Visa or a MasterCard so that you don't have any problems in creating the stuff. Okay. Then it is asking me whether I have my PAN address. Yes, I do have a PAN. Your address, right? And then at the net banking or the payment gateway will be open where you are supposed to the OTP, whatever it is. You will be navigated to verification where you can basically either give a text message or a voice call. I am giving a text message on my number. Okay, and you have to enter this code. The code. Okay, so once you enter the code, it would show that your identity has been verified successfully. Now you click on continue, and basically you see three plans over there. One is a basic plan, the other one is a developer plan, the third one is a business plan. But for our purposes, we are going to create a free tier account, so it is going to be a free plan. That's it. You're all set. Now let us try to log in into the console with the credentials which we have created. So I am entering the email ID. That's it. We are all set. And we will be continuing our journey with some more other interesting and useful videos to you so that you can leverage cloud and use cloud. Thanks for your time.